in this SAP MM Training Series, we are not just going to talk about the theory. I will also be showing you the practical step inside the SAP system. For example, we will do things like create a company code and plant, defining storage location, creating vendor master data, everything. So you will be learning how to actually work in SAP, not just understanding concept. Okay, so first, we will start with the configuration step for SAP MM, including setting up a company structure like company code, plant, storage location, and more. Okay, so here we are going to on S4 HANA server, and we are going to log into S4 HANA server. So first in configuration step, we are going to create how to create a company code. So before creating, we know what is company code in SAP. So actually, a company code in SAP is the smallest organizational unit for which you can create a complete set of financial statements, including balance sheet and profit and loss statement, everything. So actually, it's represent a legal company or a business entity that operates independently and reports to the government for taxes and accounting. So one question in mind and also in your mind, why is company code important in SAP MM? So the MM material management module is connected to the logistic and procurement processes, but every purchase or inventory transaction must be linked to a financial accounting unit. So that's why we need to create a company code. And also we can say that company code in SAP is like a registered company. It's required for all financial transaction and in MM. Okay. We can think that the in real life example we say that the vendor is linked to a company code. The purchase is recorded under that company code. The good receipt and invites are also posted for the company code. Financial entries. So now we see how can I create a company code. So first we need to use the transaction code SPRO. We can also use a SIMG. First we used SPRO transaction code for creating a company code. So here this is the box where we can write a transaction code. So first we write here transaction code SPRO and then press enter. Here we can see this display screen and where we go to click on SAP reference IMG. So here we can click a SAP reference IMG and this is the SAP reference IMG display. Okay, we can also call that display IMG. And we can also if I need to back on the SAP EG access screen, so we can use the slash and then we can back on the SAP. We can also told that the SAP EG access screens. So if I have told you we can use two type of transaction code. First SPRO Yeah, or SIMG. If I can use I SIMG transaction code, we directly on the display IMG screen. So do whatever you want to use. You can also use SPRO and you can use SIMG. Okay. So now we are creating a company code. So first use transaction code SPRO or SIMG, and then after we can go on the enterprise structure. In display image, we can go on enterprise structure and click here. In enterprise structure, we go to definition. Go to on definition. On definition. So in enterprise structure, in definition, and then we go to financial accounting. And in financial accounting, so here we used copy methods to create a company code. So in your mind and also in my mind, why use the copy method to create a company code in SAP? We think that no, company we create a company code, we use a copy methods, means you take an existing company code in SAP, like a standard one from SAP or one already created in your system. SAP also create a company code by default company code. So we will use by default company code and copy them. So we use the copy method. So it's a best for think that no, if we using the copy method to create a company code is a smart and time saving approach, especially in trading and real world project. Okay, so it's a save your times, reduces errors, and it helps to all important setting like a currency, country setting, fiscal year variant, posting periods, tolerance limit, documents, like everything. It's a helpful for you. So we can use the copy method, simple and time saving. So in the financial accounting section, we go to click on the radio button, edit, copy, delete, check company code. Okay, so here we can click, and first here we see the all company code created by SAP by default, like 0001 company code. This is created by SAP 0003, 0202, and so we use the 0001 company code to create our new company code. So in back and go to copy, delete, check company code, and here is this on this tab. This is the copy. So here we can click, and here we put the company code 0001. And one thing to put your mind, we can create, we can put anything. We can put a numerical, alphabetical, but only to 4 digit. You can take two alphabetical, two numerical. If you want to take a all the numerical, if you want to take a all the alphabetical, do whatever you want to do. It depends on you, in you and your requirements. So from company code, we here we copy the company code from 0001. SAP company code, by default company code, and here we give our company code. So here our company code we can mention anything. We can write here like I think 2025. We can give you 2025 for remember purpose. You can put anything, and all the things we need to write on the any access file, yeah, documents file. For your future reference, in future, we need to remember the company code, plant, storage location, everything. So here to company code, where we can go on the check button, continue, click on this, and here we can see that the only copy the GL accounts if you want to allocate the same chat accounts to the target company code as to source company code. Do you want to copy the GL account company code data? Yes. Here is the advantages of use the copy method to create a company code. So you don't need to go to create a GL account and anything. Here you can copy the things, your company code, copy the GL account from SAP by default SAP company code 0001. Okay, so here we can click on yes. So I want to copy this, and here I also written the controlling area 0001 is assigned into company code 0001. Do you want to copy the assignment to the controlling area? Yes, we are going to yes. And here the reference company code has local currency EUR. If you allocate a different local currency to the target company code, GL account with currency URL also change. Do you want to allocate a different local currency to target company code? So here we actually, if you want to change a currency code, you can do. So in India, I want to use a currency code INR. So here we can click on yes, and here we put our currency code INR, and then continue, and then tick, and then tick. Do you really want to transport number? Here we can click on no, and then shift on continue. So here written company code 0001 copied to company code 2025, and then here continue, and here complete activities. Here we can see company code 0001 copied to 2025. Okay, so our company code is created. So go to back. Here we can click on to go to back, and edit company code. Here we can see our company code. So I have created. So in this section we see that the position where we can click a position, and currently we are created. We have created a company code 2025. So continue. So this is our company code. You see that na, here SAP SE. That means actually I have copied the company code from 0001. So our company code is 2025, but everything is copied from 0001, like name of the companies and everything. GL account. I have changed the currency. So here we can also change the name. Here we can go here and then double click, and here we can put our name, our company name. So here we can give a Bandy and Wood Private Limited. This is our company. City, actually this company is Prayagraj. So here we mention Prayagraj, and country region, our country India, Prayagraj in India, and our language is English. So here we can put English and everything is okay. A company code 2025, company name Bandy and Mood Private Limited, city Prayagraj, country India, currency INR and language EN. And then go to the save button and our company code is created. So this is the method of creating a company code and I have created a company code 2025. If you guys have any question, yeah, if you face any kind of error, you can put a screenshot in comment box so we can resolve the issue as well as possible. Okay, so this is our company code created. If you guys have any questions or questions, yeah, if you face any kind of error, yeah, if you also want to any topics you had like me to cover, feel free to comment below. Okay, so first I have created a company code and then after creating a company code, then we can go to the next step to controlling the company code. Go to the controlling section. Okay, so after that we will go on the controlling. So slash and back to the SAP easy access screen. For next step is controlling. This is the use for activating the things. So we can go to the controlling code. Use the. You can also use the